Hey, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. As you can see, we got a box in the post today. Oh, wonder what could be in here. Garrett dual ball bearing, turbo upgrade kit, EVO 10 bolt-on twin scroll, internal wastegated .94 AR Gen 2 GTX 3576R. Oh yeah, we've been waiting on this. Get her opened up here. See what goodies they gave us. This is from Modern Automotive Performance, and they did price match me because they had this turbo listed for $2,795, $2,795, and I found one on Edge Motorsport site or Edge Auto Sports for $2,515. Oh, same turbo. So they let me have it for the same price, $2,515, which I would rather order from MAP. So I said match the price and I'll order from you, and they did. Oh my God, and it's the more expensive one too. It's all powder coated black. Yeah, that's like a $85 option. Oh, that you have to add for most. Would you look at this beauty? Oh my goodness. Hold on, guys. I gotta set the camera down. Or have somebody else film for me real quick. Don't film me. G2 GTX 3576R in powder coat black. I was hoping it come powder coat black. A lot of people I seen was writing that their turbo was powder coated black with ceramic coating, and I was hoping mine would be too, and it is. If I can get this damn zip tie they put on it off, I'd be doing a lot better. There we go. Get her out here. Look at it. Oh, this is a beauty. Look at that, guys. Got the new 9-blade Gen 2. Oh, brand new AR housing. Yeah. We're about to make some serious power, guys. Serious power. Oh, this thing is beautiful. No. Really happy, guys. Oh. If you guys want to get you a Gen 2 GTX 3576R, my advice is pick one up from MAP. If they have any available, you'll get this beautiful black powder coated black. And yeah, I'm going to get this baby girl thrown on there today. Oh, also look at this here. No, I love this. They actually put a real thread there. On my Gen 1, it's just a drill hole with a tap. They just tapped it and it looks crazy. But on the Gen 2, they did it really nice. Oh, gorgeous, gorgeous turbo, guys. Can't wait to get this thing on. Oh, the install video will be later on this evening. So remember to like, share, subscribe, and watch the video. As you can see, I'm still sitting here in my PJs. It's morning time. I still got my long johns on and just chilling on the couch, watching some, what is it? I can't remember the name of this guy's channel, but yeah. So anyhow, guys, remember to like, share, subscribe, and tune in for that video. Love y'all. Peace out.